Hi, welcome to XOAP Tech Videos. Today I'll show you how to upgrade a Windows 10 machine to Windows 11 using a single XOAP command. For end users, this process can run in the background, but I'll cover all the steps in this video. In your XOAP workspace, open Application Management, Application Roles and locate Migration to Windows 11 24H2. If this package isn't available in your workspace, contact us and we'll help you enable it. From the Action menu, choose Copy Installation Command to place the command on your clipboard. On the Windows 10 device, open PowerShell as administrator, paste the command, and press Enter. XOAP will download the Microsoft Windows 11 PSADT package from Application Management. When the download completes, it extracts the package and starts the installation sequence. This can take a while because the Windows 11 package is large. During installation, you'll be prompted to continue or defer. Deferral is allowed up to 3 times. Click Continue to proceed. A progress window will appear while the upgrade prepares. When everything is ready, you'll be prompted to restart. You have up to 1 hour to do so, or you can choose Restart Now. After the restart, the device will work through updates and may reboot multiple times. No action is needed during this phase. When the sign-in screen returns, you'll be on Windows 11. Your desktop layout, icons and user files remain in place, just as they were on Windows 10. You can also bundle additional components with the Windows 11 package, such as device-specific drivers or required applications. They will install automatically as part of the same workflow, all triggered from XOAP with a single command. Thanks for watching. If you don't have a XOAP account yet, create one for free at xoap.io.